How to install Android 11 Developer Preview 2 on the Xiaomi Poco F1. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Android 11 Developer Preview 2 on your Xiaomi Poco F1. What are the prerequisites for this video? The prerequisites for this video are you need to have an unlocked bootloader and you need to have TWRP recovery installed. How do you do that? I have separate videos for both of those which are linked in the description of the video. Next thing, make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device, because if you run into any encryption issues or any boot loops, then you'll have to do a format data from TWRP recovery, in which case you are going to lose all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device. Also make sure your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Now as you can see, I do have my Poco F1 which is running MIUI 11.0.6.0 based on Android 10. However, if you're on a custom ROM, the process will still remain the same. You just have to skip the steps which are not applicable. Next thing you need to know is whether your device is encrypted or not. How do you find that out? Well, you go into settings, password and security, privacy, and encryption and credentials. You can see that my phone is not encrypted. Now, based on the fact whether our device is encrypted or not, we will have to flash disable force encryption. We'll talk more about that later in this video. Next thing we need to do is we'll go into settings, password and security, and remove your password, fingerprint unlock, and face unlock. Then you'll go back, scroll down, go into Me account and remove your Me account. Then you will go back, scroll down, go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account. Once you have removed all the accounts and security measures, make sure you reboot your device once. Why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? Well, we're doing this because we are flashing a custom ROM and I don't want you to be locked out of your own device or you having to sign back into your Google account. What are the files which we need? All the files which we need are linked in the description of the video, and these are the three files which you need. So you need the Pixel ROM zip file for the Xiaomi Poco F1. Do note this is the Pixel ROM, this is not Pixel Experience or the Pixel 4 XL ROM. This is the Pixel ROM by Arguar. I hope I pronounced their name correctly. If not, then my apologies. Then, because our device is not encrypted or it is decrypted, we need the disable force encryption file, and then we also need the Android 11 or Android R AB GSI image file which is in .7z format. Yes, we are using the AB file even though our device is A only. It works absolutely fine. Now to extract this .7z file, we of course need an application called ZArchiver, the link to which can be found in the description of the video. And open the application, navigate to the folder where you have the file, tap on this .7z file and just click on extract here. It is going to extract the file and we will eventually have a .img file with the same name. And there it is, the file was extracted successfully, and as you can see we now have a .img file with the same name, and this is the file which we will eventually flash. Next thing we need to do is boot into TWRP recovery. For that, the first thing we're going to do is turn our device off. Once we've turned our device off, we're going to press and hold volume up and power button at the same time till we see the TWRP recovery boot logo. Once we have booted into TWRP recovery, we'll go into wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, and data. These are the partitions which we need to select. If you do not get the option for vendor, means you're not using the correct version of TWRP recovery. I have linked the correct version in the description of the video. Once you've selected all the 4 partitions, swipe to wipe, and it eventually might have been 5 partitions, I'm not sure. Next thing, we'll click on the home button, go into install, and now you need to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the Pixel ROM zip file. In case you downloaded the files on your phone directly, they will be in the download folder. In my case, I have created a separate folder called DP2. So the file which we need to select is the Pixel ROM zip file. Select the file and then swipe to confirm flash. Once the file has flashed successfully, we'll click on the home button. And now, since my device was not encrypted or decrypted, I need to flash disable force encryption. To flash that, we need to confirm that the vendor partition is mounted. We'll go into mount, make sure that vendor is checked. In case it is not, we will check it, then go back, go into install, and then select the disable force encryption zip file and then swipe to confirm flash. Once disable force encryption file has installed successfully, click on the home button, go into reboot and select system. Do note, if you run into any encryption issues, you will of course have to boot back into TWRP recovery and then go into wipe, format data, type in yes and then click on the check mark button. For now, we are going to skip that step and going to reboot and select system. And there it is, we have the Pixel ROM boot animation on our Poco F1, which means our device is booting into the Pixel ROM. Another thing to note or to remember is that booting into the Pixel ROM and finishing the initial setup is necessary. And we are on the setup screen. Let me skip the initial setup real quick. There is no need to set up your fingerprint and pen or connect to the internet or anything like that. And there it is, we have successfully booted into the Pixel ROM. We can go into settings and then we'll go into about phone. Now if I click on the Android version, you will see that the Android version is 10. And of course we are using the Pixel ROM. We can also check for encryption. So we'll go into settings and then we can go into security and encryption and credentials for not encrypted, which means disable force encryption was flashed successfully. Next thing, we'll have to boot back into TWRP recovery. So turn the device off. Once the device is turned off, press and hold volume up and power button at the same time till you see the TWRP recovery boot logo. Once we have booted into TWRP recovery, we'll go into install, select install image, and now you should automatically be in the folder where you have the .img file for Android 11. In case you do not, then you can just click on upper level and go to the download folder or to the folder wherever you have the .img file. Next thing, we'll select the .img file. On the next screen, select system image and then swipe to confirm flash. Once the file has flashed successfully, all we need to do is click on reboot system. And there it is, you can see that we do not have the dark boot animation from the Pixel 4 ROM. The boot animation has changed to the white version which you get from Google, which means we are booting into Android 11 Developer Preview 2 on our Poco F1. The first boot up might take some time, so you'll have to be patient. And there it is, we have booted into Android 11 Developer Preview 2. It is telling us there's an internal problem with your device. We'll just click on OK. SIM Manager, of course, will keep on crashing, so just close the application. And same applies for Connectivity Health Services. Close app, Android Developer Preview, click on OK, unlock the device, bam, there it is. We can go and check it. So we'll go into settings and then we can go into about phone. And now if I click on the Android version, as you can see, we do have the Android version as R. There it is, security patch March of 5th 2020. Android version is R. We still do not have an Easter egg from Android 11. We have the Easter egg from Android 10, but we have successfully installed Android 11 Developer Preview 2 on the Xiaomi Poco F1. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.